Good morning, sir. My name is T. Lakshmi Narasimha in Mechanical Engineering Department. Today my topic is average value and RMS value of sinusoidal AC voltage. Outline. Introduction. Average value, RMS value, relation between average and RMS value. Practical applications. Conclusion. Introduction. Sinusoidal AC voltage is a type of alternating current that flows in sine wave pattern. Average values and RMS values are two important parameters used to describe sinusoidal AC voltage. Understanding these values is crucial for analyzing and designing AC circuit. Average value. The average value of a sinusoidal AC voltage is the arithmetic mean of all instantaneous values over a complete cycle. It is calculated by integrating an instantaneous values over one cycle and dividing by the cycle duration. The average value of a sinusoidal AC voltage with zero mean is always zero. RMS value. The RMS value root mean square value of a sinusoidal AC voltage is the square root of the average of the squares of all instantaneous values over a complete cycle. It represents the effective value of the voltage and is often used to quantify the power delivered by a AC circuit. For a sinusoidal AC voltage with peak value Vp, the RMS value is Vp slash root 2. Relationship between average and RMS value. The RMS value of a sinusoidal AC voltage is related to its average value through a constant factor. For a sinusoidal AC voltage with zero mean of the RMS value is equal to the absolute value of the average value. The RMS value provides a more accurate representation of the magnitude of the voltage compared to the average value. Calculation of average value. To calculate the average value of a sinusoidal AC voltage, integrate the instantaneous voltage over one cycle and divided by the cycle duration. For a sinusoidal AC voltage with peak value Vp and frequency f, the average value can be calculated as to Vp or pi. To calculation of RMS value. To calculate the RMS value of sinusoidal AC voltage, square the instantaneous voltage, average the square voltage over one cycle and take a square root. For a sinusoidal AC voltage with peak value Vp, the RMS value can be calculated as Vp by root 2. The RMS value is always positive and representation the equivalent DC voltage that will deliver the same power of the AC voltage. Comparison with DC voltage. The average value of sinusoidal AC voltage is not the same as its RMS value. For a DC voltage, the average value is the same as RMS value. The difference between the average and RMS value of an AC voltage is due to the varying nature of the sinusoidal. See this diagram, average value and RMS value. Importance in power calculation. The RMS value of the sinusoidal AC voltage is used in power calculations for AC circuit. The power delivered by an AC circuit is proportional to the square of the RMS value of the voltage. Understanding the RMS value is crucial for accurately estimating power consumption and designing effective AC voltage. Practical application. Knowledge of average and RMS values of sinusoidal AC voltage is essential in a various engineering field. It is used in designing electrical systems, calculating power consumption and determining the capacity of electrical equipment. Understanding these values also helps in troubleshooting AC circuit and ensuring safe operation. Conclusion. Average and RMS value are key parameters used to describe sinusoidal AC voltage. The average value gives the arithmetic mean of the instantaneously values over a complete cycle, while the RMS value represents the effective value. These values have practical significance in power calculation, circuit design and troubleshooting AC system. Thank you.